Hello everyone, I'm Vinicius Ferrero, and today will be a quick video. That's because the second phase of the Suisse Blockchain token pre-sale has just opened. I already bought some tokens during the first phase, but now I'll buy a bit more and take the chance to show you how to make your purchase too. But remember, this is not investment advice, it's just a step-by-step guide for those of you who have questions about the buying process. So, do your own research and study before proceeding. There are already a few videos on this channel about the Suisse blockchain, and I'll likely release more in the future. But enough talking, let's get into it. The first phase sold out in just 4 hours at 10 cents per token. However, in this second phase, starting October 29th at 11 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated, tokens are being sold at 12 cents each. Participants in this presale will earn some points, become eligible for an airdrop after the token launch, and also accumulate loyalty points that will unlock exclusive benefits on SuissePad. To participate, simply access the link I left in the description, which will take you to the Suisse Blockchain homepage for the presale. The first thing you need to do is connect your wallet and click Continue. Note that you must complete KYC, which is basically your identity verification. You can pay using several methods, such as Ethereum, USDT, BNB, or USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. Lastly, you can also use nuls, which I believe is the best option, as it offers point multipliers. If you use the Naybox wallet to make the purchase, you'll get one multiplier, and if you pay with nuls, you'll get another multiplier. In short, just by changing your payment method, you can gain additional benefits. As an example, I'll select BNB on the Binance network and click Continue to show you the connection options. There are several, such as Brave Wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Rabby Wallet, Kepler, among others. I'll select Rabby Wallet to demonstrate how to complete the KYC. After connecting, I'll sign in, which is simply a matter of authorizing a login on the platform. On the KYC screen, you'll need to indicate whether you are from a country outside the United States or if you live in the US. Once selected, click Continue and follow the document verification steps. My verification was very quick, it only took a few minutes. I just followed the steps, submitted the requested documents, and within minutes, it was approved. After completing KYC, log back into the platform with the same wallet, and you'll be able to make your purchase. I already have Naybox wallet installed, which is what I used for my previous purchase. Now, I'll click Connect Wallet, then Continue, select nuls on the nuls network, and connect my wallet. Done! The website detected that I had already bought 2,585 tokens, 800 of which were bought using nuls. Below, you can see my bonuses for purchasing with nuls and using the Naybox wallet app. If you want to take advantage of these bonuses too, I've left a video in the description showing how to install the Naybox wallet. After installing and creating your wallet, you'll need to add nuls to it on the nuls network to make your purchase. This way, you'll earn bonus points that can influence both the airdrop and other benefits on the launchpad. Once your KYC is complete and you have enough funds in your wallet, connect to the website via the link in the description and enter the purchase amount. In my case, I've already bought 2,500 tokens, but I want to increase that to 5,000 tokens. So, I'll enter 950 nuls, which will give me approximately 2,500 Suisse tokens, plus the bonuses I mentioned earlier. Now, I'll accept the terms and click Buy Now, which will bring up a payment pop-up. I already have enough funds in my wallet, and the network fee is very low. I'll click Confirm, and the transaction will be sent to the blockchain and completed. Next, I'll click Dashboard, and as you can see, my reward points have already been updated, and my token balance is also reflected. What's next? Well, I just need to follow the project on its official media channels to know when the token launch will happen. If you want to buy more tokens later, just repeat the same process. Well guys, that's it for today's content. I tried to record this video quickly to bring it to you as soon as possible, since some people missed the chance to buy in the first sale and wanted to get in on this one. Now I'm warning you in advance and with some bonus tips. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to ensure you don't miss future opportunities I'll bring to you. Thanks for your attention, and see you next time. Bye bye.